Live from WXIA TV in Atlanta, you're watching 11 Alive News at 11, Atlanta's first newscast in high definition.
The holiday season is long gone, but sometimes it feels like the credit card debt is here to stay. Not if you play your cards right. In tonight's Ways to Save, Valerie Hoff has tips on how to cut down your debt and the hidden fees that could trip you up.
According to Experian, the average Atlanta resident owes $4,960 on credit cards. Only San Antonio and Jacksonville residents owe more.
The interest costs on $5,000 of the typical credit card account can get up as high as $1,000 a year. And so it really pays to keep your credit card debt down.
Part of the problem was the 2010 holiday season. Consumers increased their debt by 3.5%. If you're one of them, you may want to pay it off as quickly as you can, even if you have to cut back elsewhere.
Less debt is always better.
The CARD Act that prevented banks from raising rates retroactively and charging over-the-limit fees may be costing consumers in other ways. To keep the profit margins, many card issuers have raised annual fees and interest rates. Some experts say going non-profit with a credit union card is a better option.
Credit unions are non-profit cooperative financial institutions. There are no third-party shareholders, so credit unions are not in the business of harvesting profits from consumers and shipping them to third-party shareholders.
If you're trying to pay off debt, try to switch to a card with a lower rate, but watch out for balance transfer fees. Another option is to call your credit card company and ask for a lower interest rate. One study found half of those who call get some relief. If you don't know what to say, there's a sample script on the Motley Fool website. With 11 Alive Ways to Save, I'm Valerie Hoff.